about that this time you are looking for the job, for teacher job. So this time what are you doing for enhancing your communication skills? What are the things are you using at home?
Only means like only I am using only one thing, that I I have a conversation with new person. Okay. And then another thing, like reading part, I also it is including reading part, and some listening and watching audio and also video, that we I can connect these things, and I can learn from enhancing my skills. So these are the things I'm following. So
Hmm. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So have you any kids?
no, recently I got married.
Yeah. So congratulations. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
how you managing all the things at your home? Because previous time you told me that I'm going to serving food to my in-law. So I want to know your daily routine.
And there is, there is no big challenge. This time means I am totally free whole day. I used to busy at my home. Before my marriage, I always got busy. You know,
Oh, in your maternal house.
yeah.
Oh.
You like I used to go to school, and also I took classes at my home. I was tuition teacher, so I was doing many things.
Lots of food.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but this time, I'm not doing anything except of making the food.
So who motivates you that you create your channel and you do all the things, meet with peoples?
My family members, they always support me, and my
Wow.
sister, yeah, my sisters, my mother, they always motivates me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they always support me, and they always motivate me. So because of them, I'm here. My mother, my
Okay.
sister.
Here I want to ask one more question that you created your channel before marriage or after marriage?
Before the marriage.
Okay.
And
When
this
you
channel is,
started?
yeah, this
Yeah.
channel is created by my students, one of my students.
Oh, that's
And
great.
yeah, he handled all the things. And really, I mean, it is this time I have learned a lot from, means, so many things. But in the starting, I didn't do anything. And I make video, means I mention only my audio. But
Mm-hmm.
he editing all the part, typing, so many things he did it by him. Yeah.
Wow. So this time who edit your videos? Who uploads? You or your student?
No, he had me only 1 month, but after it, he got also busy. He was in ninth class at that time. He was free. He was in eighth standard. So that's
Mm-hmm.
why he gave the time. And in his starting, it's a madness. So he helped me, but after some time he got feeling bored. So I started learning that how to edit these things, and now I
Mm-hmm.
upload it by myself.
Yeah, because this is your channel and this is your responsibility to manage your all the things. Because how we can depend for more time with anyone? We can't. If
Yeah.
we know something more, so we can do everything. Yeah.
Yeah, and I started learn many things, like in I made video with means using some ideas, and I watched many videos and other. So this time I will have to use these things. So I tried and I tried it in my videos, and I followed and using these things. Oh, it was the editing part. So yeah, it was a nice thing that it would help me in future, definitely.
Yeah, yeah, right. And you are, when you speak, so you are totally smiling, and when you speak, so you just smile like me. So I love this thing, and yeah, you are very happy person. Yeah,
Don't know, I am happy person and sad person.
yeah. First time I meet with a person who is very happy.
Don't know.
Many time I got commented me that you are very happy person, you are smiley person. Now I this time first time I'm talking anyone telling to anyone that you are very happy person.
Is it I want to ask one thing.
Yeah,
It's it's not a reality. I think those people, they always smile, keep smile on their face. So I think it's not a true, means they hide something.
yeah, but in my case, whenever I speak with my friends, my family members, and with anyone, so I just smile with, and I think it is habitual. I'm habitual for this, and my sister, my brother, they also speak like this. They when they speak, so they smile.
Yeah.
It's a genetic
You,
problem. It's a genetic problem. Yeah.
really, it's a seriously first time that I'm meeting, I'm meeting my same category. I meet the same person, and we are not talking. We are enjoying this conversation.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes it happens that sometimes I thought that many people they are saying that you are smiling too much. So sometimes I try to don't smile more. Try to keep shut mouth, but I'm not able to do this. Yeah.
Yeah. So I want to ask one thing, that why do you want to learn this language, and what is the purpose behind this learning this language?
Yeah, so first of all, I want to become an independent woman. So in future, when my children will grown up, so I want to do job. So that's why I'm improving. And this time, I'm teaching my elder son. So that's why first I should learn, then I will teach my kids, right? So that's why, yeah, that is the
That's
reason.
nice idea. That's good. You are
Yeah,
doing great thing. So which type
yeah.
of means weakness? It's a fumbling. It's a part of life that we get stuck, and we got stuck. So it's okay. Like I always, most of the time, I get stuck, and also I starting fumble. So these are the problems I face also. So it's okay. It's a learning point. In this time we are learning, so definitely we will get stuck, and we will get fumble. So, but in because it is the part of, means beginner part. So that's why
Yes.
we are facing. But in the initially part, means that was the part, earlier part, that it was not,
Yeah.
it was not same time. Like this time we are able to speak, and
Mm-hmm.
without any fumble, without any means this time we are confident. That's okay. We are making mistake, but we are able having a conversation with different person. Okay, from with
Yeah.
a different person to person, now we are able to speak. but it was not
Mhm.
uh, earlier time. It was not previous time that we always got stuck, and also the means words were not coming on mouth. We want to speak, we want to have, we wanted to have it, have it, but we were unable. So this time we
Yeah,
are able to do it. So definitely after some months we will become fluent if we make consistency. So definitely we will do better than because
yeah,
you
yeah.
know
Everything depends on consistency because this time, if we are not taking any session for 2 days or 3 days, if we are not taking and we are not talking with anyone in English, so what happened? We face again that problem which we faced initially days, right? Yeah,
yes. So gradually we will remove our hesitation. We will overcome from this fear.
yeah, right, right. Yeah. So if you
Okay, bye
okay,
bye.
bye
Nice to
bye.
meet
See
you and keep a
you.
smile on
Bye
your
bye.
face. Bye bye.
Same to